Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how I um, use 4ID space as a beginner. Um, this 6 small boxes are part of the starter kit of 4ID space. They're all connected via USB-C port like this. What you just need to do is plug in with a USB-C cable. I just connected to a USB hub right here, and they're all connected to an external battery right here. So they're not connected to any of the computers or any programming kits tools that you would usually use. So in the program, let's try to connect the button to the LEDs right here. So on the program, you will click on the button item on the left as an input and the LED item on the right as an output. And when you see the connection was successfully set, out of these 4 buttons, let's try clicking the simple button. Let's wait for the interaction to be generated. And when the interaction is ready to be played, and see the interaction is playing, you can see if the interaction is there. So it's showing me a red light. There is some delays, but that is a minor issue. Okay, now I will stop the interaction. Then the interaction is no longer there. And this time, let's try out the feeling lucky button. The program says that it will generate a random interaction. We'll see. The interaction is ready to be played. It's giving me a purple light this time. And now it's yellow. Purple. Yellow. Okay. So it is definitely a different interaction, but I guess it is a lucky interaction according to the 4ID space. Perfect. Let's stop the interaction for now. So as you can see, it's not reacting anymore. Oh, and by the way, if you want to know the parts of, you want to know more detail about each boxes, you can click on the description here and read what it is. And you can click on the image here to know if this box is the right box that you were interacting with. So let's say this time you want to connect these two with these two, the ones that you were already interacting with it. So 4 in total, 2 inputs and 2 outputs. So this time you're going to click on both the button and the potentiometer as an input and add the digital display as an output on the right side. So to start up, let's just click on the simple button here and see what kind of interaction it will generate. Okay, so it finished generating. So when I press the button, I see nothing. And when I spin the potentiometer, I see numbers changing on the left side on the display and the brightness on the LEDs right here. Not too sure what it is. If I press the button, it changed the color. Oh, and there's like a slight difference in brightness on the display as well. Perfect. So let's stop the interaction again. Nothing is reacting anymore. Let's go to our custom setup. Let's say change the brightness of the display and the LED according to the potential meter value. Change the color of the LED when every time the button is pressed. Count the number of the button pressed and show it on the display. So let's go with that. I just came up with this interaction. Let's see how the program will, the 4ID space will create for us an interaction. Click on the generate button on the right. Wait until the interaction is being generated. Okay, we need something. Okay. If something is going wrong, click on the generate button again, and now it's ready and something is being played. So I press the button. It starts from I don't know if you've seen it, but it starts from 9,999. I'm not too sure why. But the price does change according to the potentiometer right here. And every time I press the button, the color of the LED changes, and the number is counting down, not counting up. But we just generated an interaction between these 4 components with a couple of words typed and clicks of buttons of our mouse. Okay, I'm gonna stop the introduction here. So making interaction with 4ID space is really easy and quick. I hope people will make an interesting interaction with the 4ID space in the future. So have fun with 4ID, and I'll hope to see your interaction soon, your unique interaction soon somewhere in the world. Bye.